For he shall give his angel charge over you to keep you in all your ways. Psalm 91 verses 11. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Woo. And just like that, I'm bringing you the very last recipe for the year 2022. What better way to end this year with one of my favorite soups ever? We're going to be making Werewere Nkwan, aka Musk Melon seed soup. Listen, I know your heart skipped a beat because you've always know that this is really difficult and it needs a pro to make it. I'm breaking the rules and changing the game with the soup, so please stay tuned and let's make this together. You're going to love it. So you need very few ingredients for this recipe. I am going for chicken. I'm using the hen this time around, and you can definitely choose any proteins of choice. I do have my Musk Melon seed, some vegetables, tomato paste, ginger, garlic. I do have some chicken bouillon, bay leaves, some salt, and of course some okra for garnishing and to also help us swallow our food well, because we're pairing this soup with some beautiful, amazing fufu. So to begin with, I'm going to go ahead and make sure I do not have any foreign items in my Musk Melon seed. It is very, very important, especially the stones. So hand pick them and make sure they are very nice and clean. And once you're done with this version of the soup, I'm going to wash it and we are going to boil this for about 10 good minutes. So here we are transferring our werewere into our bowl, and I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water to this and allow it to do it work nice and cool. So in the waiting time, I like to go ahead and blend all my ingredients that needs to be blended. I'm using some garlic, ginger, and some onions to season my chicken. So once we're done blending all these lovely ingredients, we're going to transfer our chicken in our pot. And this chicken was being roasted a little bit in the oven. I mean, that is what bring out the festiveness of the chicken out. Okay, do not miss that. So we are going to add our blended natural seasoning to it and go in with some chicken bouillon, and I'll then add some bay leaves as well. Bay leaves here is akoko mesa. It brings out that fantastic festive aroma of the chicken out. Trust me, do not miss that. Okay, I also added a little bit of salt as well. Yes, I'm breaking the rules. We are definitely changing the game, right? So our Musk Melon seed has been cooking for the last 10 minutes, and it's perfect time for us to just take it out, put it in our blender, and we're going to blend it until it is very smooth. Now, the water we boil this with is very, very nutritious. We're not going to discard it. Add it back to the blender and blend everything up, making sure that it's very, very smooth. Because we cook this, it's promising that we're going to get lots of juices out of this. Okay, so blend it until it is super, super smooth. So in the waiting time, I like to check on my chicken. As you can see, it is steaming very, very well, and it smells heavenly, amazing. So right now I'm going to add my tomato paste. It brings extra flavor to the soup, and we're going to add all our other vegetables. That is going to thicken the soup for us as well. I added here some tomatoes, carrots, and some peppers and onions. Of course, I'll allow everything to steam for the next 5 to 7 minutes. Now, this is a very important stage for your soup. You need to make sure that you do not have any form of particles. You want the juice to be very smooth and crystal clear as well. So this is the part that you need to be very careful about. If your soup end up being lumpy, it means you did not strain it well. So we are going to be straining it for about 5 times. It is very, very tricky because once you get this much chaff, you think, oh, we don't have anything in there. They are tricking you. It is tricking you. This is where the problem lies. go ahead and strain it for another time, and you see the amount of chaff you're going to get. Do it again and do it again, and you're going to get chaff upon chaff upon chaff all the time. So please, 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 I'm begging you, if you want to have a successful Werewere soup, take this part very serious. Okay, so we're done straining it for the 5th time, and now I think we're good to go. All right, we are good to go. We're going to add it directly to my seasoned chicken. It has salt in there, it has everything in there. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Yes, you need to boil it on the side because it's going to create lumps. I get this. It is true. Everything about whatever everybody is saying is true. You get lumps when you do not strain this very well. That is where the truth lies. So we need to get this straight. And once you add this for the first 5 minutes, you might think it's creating lumps, but it end up losing every lumpy part in it. So do not worry. It is so easy to make this soup, and it's so nutritious, and I want you to be making this more often. Just take that panicky, traditional myth and everything that surrounds this soup away and give this a try, and let me know in the comment section. You will love and love this, especially the aroma. It is amazing. So I took off all the vegetables and blended it in, and I allow it to boil for another 25 minutes, and we were good to go. So right now, go in, throw in few peppers for garnishing, or for anyone who wants extra heat in their mouth, and you're good to go. Please serve this with some emultuo, banku, whatever that your soul pleases you. Today we are so much loving some fufu. The fragrance and the aroma is top notch. Please try it and let me know how you like it, because I definitely know that you will like this. Just check out this fufu, looking absolutely great. So yes, thank you so much for an amazing 2022, family. I am super thankful for all the love, the comment, the shares, the likes. I am so thankful. I cannot put everything in words, but all I can say is God bless you for your amazing support. And oh, how I wish I could share it with all of you. It was so amazing. I promise you, if you get your ingredients and you follow this step-by-step recipe, we are going to enjoy it together, okay? So thank you so much, family, for watching once again. I truly appreciate your time. I am always so thankful. Please do not forget to like, share to few friends and family as well. Please make it a choice to bless somebody's life today with this recipe, all right? Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one. Bye. Have a blessed new year.